Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, North 16. Today's video is, drumroll, please. I am going to be doing, so, yeah, it's basically a life hack where you can take only in the microwave. So I think it's pretty epic. Hello, I'm here. You might see me in the same exact clothes in so many videos because, honestly, I really do like making YouTube videos, and let's just say I make like so much YouTube videos in only one day, and so yeah. Don't mind that sound. It's coming from Snoop called Snoopy Doggy. Yeah, sorry. Why are you guys right next to it? I don't know. That's pretty annoying. I'm gonna put it over here so you guys don't have to hear the noise. But it's like a life hack basically. And I was going through YouTube, right? As usual. I went in like what's it called? Cooking. I looked up like cooking videos, like cooking cake. And there was like one that said life hacks how to make a cake. I don't really know exactly what the title said, but something like that. I clicked on the video, obviously, of course. And that's what showed up. It was like you crush Oreos, you put it in a bowl or plate or whatever, you put some milk, you mix it up, put it in the microwave for I don't even know how long, and then it should be cake. So I'm gonna do that. We used to have Oreos, but we used to really never eat them because there's a lot more stuff than that. So I guess I'm gonna use these because I'm not even gonna spend time looking for them because I know we don't have them. And so, yeah, I'm not gonna use that, that's for sure. But first I'm gonna need a bag because that's how I'm gonna crush them up. And so I guess you can use any type of cookie. I don't think it's just Oreos. Everything else, the hammer, probably gonna be hard to use. I don't think I'm gonna need it. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need it, but just open the bag. And I'm just gonna put, I tried this before, with that video, it didn't go well. Because, let's just end it right there that I broke the handle, okay? So, I was gonna, put the footage in. It was hilarious footage, but yeah, no, that didn't end up happening. Sadly, but that was hilarious. I watched it myself. I'm literally the most funniest person you would ever meet. I don't know how much I'm supposed to add. Should I add a little bit? Yeah, it's fine. And I'm just gonna, is that too much? I'm not gonna put that in. That looks like enough. This is really easy to crush. I'm gonna have to go too much. My hand hurts already. Okay. This is the mixture I got so far. I'm already spending 4 minutes. Okay, come on. Guys, this is not even looking like a mixture. I think that should do. That's, yeah, what is it called? Mixture. I'm just gonna put that away. Didn't even put it in the right spot, but I'll do that later. Okay. So next we need, genius. Okay. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna get a plastic one because I don't really know. Here we got a plate, and then we have a cookie. I think I'm only gonna add a little bit because I don't really know how it's gonna turn. Well, I tried it before, but I want it to be like a full experience for you guys. So I'm only gonna add a little bit. So yeah. Oh. I said I was gonna add a little bit, and I had the whole entire bag. You know what? That's fine. Then we're gonna add the milk. I wasn't even supposed to do that. Okay, it's fine. I honestly don't know how much I'm supposed to add. I'm gonna use this spoon because I'm bougie like that. Okay. Oh, jeez. Guys, I need to clean this up because I'm making an absolute mess. And this is not fine. Thank goodness my friends don't watch me. I never told them I even had a YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, if they watched, they were gonna be like, Nora, gosh. I probably should tell my friends my YouTube channel so they can subscribe to me. Because I have like seriously 0 subscribers. But it's beyond amazing how many people watch me actually, but they don't subscribe. It's like, are you fingerless? You have fingers, okay? All you have to do is put your finger right on that red button and press it, and you complete your task. If you do the task, that means you're not the imposter. So I would say do it. So then you're just gonna mix that up. Mixy, mixy. As you guys can see, that's what it looks like. It kind of looks like I don't know. Hopefully I don't break anything else in the microwave, because I broke it. The handle of it. Obviously, it's not surprising I broke everything. I can't even reach it, so look, that is the ground. I don't know if I'm supposed to add this. I'm just gonna add the spoon. I'm gonna add this thing so it doesn't explode, because I'm gonna do 30 seconds. And wow, that is whoa! So that it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I didn't even tell you guys Happy Valentine's Day. My bad. I want to show you something. So, let me just flip the screen. Seriously. Okay, so here's the flowers. And then, there we go. We have, Happy Valentine's Day. A little thing. I have 40 places. I meant 30. Am I supposed to do that while it's doing that? Or am I supposed to pause? Ooh, wow. That doesn't look good. It's all like heated water. What have I done? Okay. really hot. I'm gonna put it on a plate. And just so you know, oh, that's a cake. I can't even touch it. Don't worry, I wash my hands. Yeah, it's gonna have to go like that. Now, do we have frosting? I bet not, but let's see. Nope. Nope, no frosting. But I could add a spoonful of sprinkles. Should I eat it? No, no. Look at, oh geez. Look at how aesthetic. Look at how aesthetic. I'm not even gonna try. How aesthetic. Now, we're gonna cut, use this slice. We're gonna use this slice. It's really hot. I'm gonna put this away while I'm doing it out. I'm literally gonna burn the roof of my mouth. It's so hot. Well, this can go away. And I made a cake within 2 minutes. However, somewhere or the other, this video turned out to be 12 minutes. When it should have just took 5, but I'm gonna eat all these sprinkles, right? Doesn't taste good. I'm gonna eat the rest of this because it's delicious. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Why did I film this video? I probably should delete it, but I'm not.